What's happening, my YouTube viewers and fans? So check it out. Today I was browsing around at a call, and we were going around, so I stopped by this place to get some jerky to give to my boss because I'm messing with him, you know. So I got him some alligator jerky, guys. Look at that. We got some alligator jerky, and then we got some buffalo jerky. But that's not what this video is about. I just think it's freaking amazing. Anyways, what I got, I found 2 of these bad boys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them. It comes with their booster bundles. It comes with 6 packs, and hopefully we can get something amazing out of these. Right. Okay, my friends, 6 packs, empty as can be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty, we'll start off with this one first. The seal on this is weird, but let's see if we got anything, my friends. Something crazy like the gold. Always comes with those lately, but alright, let's see what we got. We want some illustration rares to add to our collection. The first, second, boom. Wow, what is that? Now that's definitely an illustration rare. Tremendous Bomb it's called. Okay, well, cool. That's something. We got 1 out of the first pack so far. Yeah. Okay, second pack, Darkrai, Mega Evolution. That's the one we want to get. Okay. Of course, you got your back card, live, Pokemon Live thingy. Right, there's our first one. I have actually a reverse holo of this Dark Bell thingy. Okay, and boom, nothing. That one's alright though. Some great cards for my kiddo to play with, you know. Alright, next pack. Our third pack of the first pack. Of course, okay, got that one. Come on, give us the badass super. Look, that's so funny. They even made that into an illustration rare. Sorry, that cracks me up. That cracks me up. Alright, our first reverse holo. Our second reverse holo, and Spiritomb. Not bad. Personally, all cards are amazing. Go to the next one. Going with the back is Kangaskhan. Like these, they all have a different Pokemon on it. Pretty cool. Now let's get started. Ooh, Analabe's badass. It's one of my favorites. Ghost fighting type. Okay, looks like our first reverse holo. Second reverse holo. And bam, that's that. Nothing on that one. It's alright though. Got 2 more packs out of this one. Then we got 1 more box to open. Hopefully we get something amazing today. It'd be nice to get a God pack, even though I don't know how that's even possible. It's probably just a accidental packaging is what it is. Anyway, oh, my first reverse holo. Oh shit, look at that, dude, look at that, look at that! Now that is definitely an illustration rare. Look at that beast. Nice, 2 for 2. And then ending with that bad boy. Yeah, that's cool. Amargurage. Illustration rare. Okay, my friends, let's do it. Illustration rares are the ones to chase. The ones to go for. Oh, there's our first reverse. Our second reverse, and boom. That last one. Alright, that one wasn't that, but still, awesome. Alright, so that was the first box down. Now it's time for the second. 6 more packs to try to get some more illustration rares, and hopefully that gold one. I'd be sick to get the gold one, personally. But, yeah, I got so many of these. Everyone else who collects cards definitely has the same amount of crazy. But, yeah. Alright, my friends, let's see. We want the illustration rare, hardcore illustration rares. Ones everyone's trying to get. Starting this one off with a Jinx today on this first pack. Let's do it. Come on, baby, give us something amazing. There's our first illustration rare. Sorry, side thing. Oh, there's an illustration rare. Crushing Hammer illustration rare. All right, not bad. Starting off good. What we really want is that dark ray. That'd be so sick. Or megas of freaking any of those fat ass ones from the front. As an illustration rare would be awesome. Okay, my friends. Let's go to our next pack. Reverse hollows, that's what they were called, reverse hollows. There's our first one. Okay, there's our second reverse hollow. Oh, and then there's that one. It's just a Wailord EX. It's not illustration rare, it's just an EX, which is still pretty cool. My daughter loves those. Anything that's freaking shiny and amazing. Huh. Alrighty, to the next pack then. Come on, baby, look this up. Okay, starting off with the Fomantis. What's up? Doing this. Nothing on that one. Okay, alrighty. Got 3 illustration rares out of these so far. Energy. I want to get that golden one so bad. This will be our first reverse hollow. Second reverse. And an energy. Damn it, that's shitty. Last pack. We're still trying to go for that freaking mega something. Illustration rare something. It's really fun, I tell you. Oh shit, an illustration rare freaking Goldeen. That one's dope. You see that? That's freaking amazing. That's probably worth a good jug of beautifulness. There it is. Alright, that's that. Out of 4 illustration rares. Alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.